Okay guys, so there's an option to keep the materials within the Alembic. Material has to be per face. It's not the issue with Unreal, it's the way the Alembic works. So if we have, for example, Lambert here, and I'm gonna apply a new Lambert in this one. I'm gonna delete history, and I'm gonna rename shading group, because the shading group name is what is gonna be kept in and used in Unreal Engine. First matPerShapeSG and second. So now I'm gonna export it to Alembic. First I'm gonna okay. So I'm gonna go with one frame, and we need to write, we can write UVs and UV sets, usually that's important, and we need to have I don't like normals, I don't keep normals, but if you have them, you would have to have them probably. But anyway, I'm gonna check the face sets for the colors. So desktop test export selection. So I'm gonna import back that Alembic, and when you don't store normals, then everything will be softened. Let's go here, and you notice that's only Lambert. So we have to add material per face. We can just add one material here, and I'm gonna call it two materials SG. So it has two materials. So if we go here and click this, we have two materials, and all those materials, if I go like this, is applied by material. But if I want to go like that, and I want to go like this, I'm gonna have a per object. And in Maya, I was trying to do it like that, and it still was by object, so I wrote a script to force it. So I have the script here, and all we have to do is select objects. We can select all of them because it will only apply on those that have per face, on all of this that have those materials per object. So by doing so, we will not get slots in objects, that's not good, especially in MBC. So I do it like that. First shape cube not found. Let's check if there are no double names. So there we need to have no double names. Actually, this script is constructed like that. I didn't add long names, so I could actually do so right now. Let's try. I don't remember if there's a L here, or was it F? I think it was F here. Okay, let's try. Okay, now we don't have viewport, but we just need to click one, and it should work also when the shape names are the same, because now we are working on the long name. So let's try what this material is here. It's Lambert 3, and select by object, and it's now by faces. Let's check what we have here. So for these two objects we have Lambert 1, and I'm gonna select and and add a fong, delete history, let's check, select objects, and I'm gonna select them and force the material. Only one, it's just refresh of the viewport, I click one on the keyboard, and now we have by face. So now, if I cache Alembic, export selection to Alembic, desktop test P, right face set, right UV sets, these are important for this one. Now we have this, and I'm gonna maybe delete this and just cache Alembic import test P. And now we have all of them has shaders. It's not that they have same shaders, they have shading groups with proper names. So we have one that had two materials. We actually don't know by this because they're not separate which material is connected here. It's always numbered, but if you go and click select by name, then you can choose which of these fong one. So there are multiple options. It grabs the first one, shading group. So I like to do it when I bring it back. I didn't just do it for test. I just grab this and make a lean, for example. Delete this, and I'm just gonna one is not needed. Two. This one is not needed here. It's just for easy selection by material. So now I can just go select object with materials and find where is it. So this is I put it in the initial shading group, so it's nothing has it. This one has it. So this actually should be Lambert. Shouldn't touch this guy here. So when I grab this, I have only 4 materials now. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. This one's okay. This was from the start. Okay, so that's it.